In this guide, I'm going to show you how to pre-order GTA 6 on PlayStation Store for PS5 tutorial. This is the easiest method. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. You can do this from a computer, phone, or directly on your PlayStation, but either go to PlayStation.com and sign into your account, or just tab over to the PlayStation Store from your PlayStation, and you can either search for GTA 6 on here, or you could just scroll down and you will see Grand Theft Auto 6 on here as well. It's going to be on here pretty much until the game comes out. Let's just be honest, but go ahead and select that. You're going to see two different editions on here. You're going to see the standard edition right here for about 80 bucks, and then of course the ultimate edition for about 100 bucks. Go ahead and open up whatever one you want and then go ahead and just select it and you can purchase it. Now, I personally would recommend the ultimate edition because it includes a lot of extra content like vehicles, bonuses, or additional missions. And then of course just choose your edition, complete the purchase using the PlayStation account, and after that the game's going to be added to your purchases. And then on your PS5, you just need to log into the exact same account, go to your game library, and then check your collection or purchase games, and it's going to appear in there, and you can download it when it becomes available. I'm very excited for this game if you can't tell. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.